In this video, I will be teaching you how to endo. An endo is where you pull your front brake to get your back wheel in the air. Just roll along at a comfortable speed and lock up your front wheel. You're probably going to be scared of going over the bars, and so your first endo might look something like this. But continue to move your weight forward and you'll soon get higher and higher. Remember, the key to endos is not speed or front brake, but weight placement. If you are scared of going over the bars, just release your front brake and you'll come back down. Once you get comfortable with endos, you can start adding some style. One of my favorite things to do is an endo crank flip. You can also do a double crank flip endo, a no-footed endo, or even a seat stand endo. Endos can be done at any place, so get out there and find your flow with endos. Thank you.